How to set up proxy in Kameleo with Proxy302. First, let's open www.proxy302.com and log in Proxy302. Then select and create a proxy. For example, we choose a static IP charged by traffic. We search US in country. Then click the button generated. By the way, Proxy302 supports HTTP and SOX 5 protocol. Click the blue button next to the proxy information to check detail of proxy. This window can quickly copy proxy information. And now, let's start the Kameleo. First, click New Profile on the left side to create a proxy setting. After customizing the browser profile name, we scroll down the page and click the button with Proxy. Then, choose corresponding proxy type. We paste the proxy information copied to Proxy302. We click Test Proxy to make sure proxy available. And click Save to save with correct. Now, click the Start button to open browser that was just created. Wait for a minute, then turn to this website to test. Detection result is consistent with Proxy302. Proxy connection is successful. You can search Proxy302 on YouTube to view more related connection tutorials. Thank you for watching.